YouTube, this is Sweet Lollipop 288. I'm gonna show you and explain to you how did I customize my little inspector. Here, it's a kind of sticker, a 3D sticker, a glitter sticker, and I put it just in the ear because it looks more cool. Let's say like this. That's one of the customized little badge. Then at this bag I used a normal paint here on the ears, and it looks cuter. Too much pink, it's not good. Some black. Then here on the ears I used the nail polish, this nail polish, and here. Then here I didn't use not nail polish. I used glitter things on the back. First, this, and I used some pink things right here. Those. And I didn't use the nail polish. Okay, then here I used the 3D glitter stickers right here and here, and this looks very cute. Oops. This is simple. And here I used this kind of nail polish too, right here on the hair and on her tail, and made it more glitter. And the last one here, I used nail polish again, right here and here, and I put a glitter sticker right here. And if you don't have any ideas, you could simply use some glitter things and put on your hats. And I just want to say that thank you for watching YouTube. I hope you enjoy and do like me, because it's very simple and you don't burn them. I hope you enjoy, and what can I say?